Hi, my name is Parwez. And this is my friend Emerson.
We're the founders of Movin Mobility, a Toronto-based electric bike brand.
We'd love to tell you more about our e-bikes, but let's hear it from our customers first.
We love to explore the outdoors. With Movin e-bikes, we can ride further, longer, and stay comfortable.
If I start feeling tired, I can pedal with as little effort as I want because my e-bike can do it for me.
Big hills feel like little bumps thanks to this powerful rear motor, and little bumps feel like nothing with this soft suspension.
My favorite part is the ease of use on road trips.
I hate rush hour traffic, so I got an e-bike. Here's how to improve my commute.
First off, the bike's pretty light and it comes with a removable battery.
With a powerful motor, I can finally enjoy my commute back home.
My responsive brakes keep me safe and prepared for anything. And it's easy to get on and off.
I'm an international student with a busy schedule, so I got a Movin e-bike to earn money doing food deliveries. My e-bike has dual batteries, so I can work 10 hours or more on a single charge. I don't have to worry about flat tires thanks to my puncture-proof mag wheels. I'm relaxed knowing I can use my e-bike all year, in any weather including snow. Movin is the only company providing theft insurance, so I can get my money back if my e-bike gets stolen.